Alright guys, what up? Today I will show you how to open a patch basically for PlayStation. Just open the patch. I'm not going to show you how to pack it because really I get confused on that myself. So if anybody can help me pack a patch, that'd be really great. But I can get into it and edit everything I want to. So right now, you need to remember your new folder or your name for your folder. I will name mine pack. Okay, open that. Now how I got the off zip and pack zip, because you really need that, is by going to downloading an MW2 patch creator. I don't use the actual patch creator because I just needed the off zip and pack zip, which is really good to use because it has everything you need. You just need to put your own stuff. And what you need to make sure you do is put the patch in the same folder as what this stuff is. So let's get started. Now what you need to do is command prompt and type in cd desktop and dash forward dash. I just went blank, hold on. Oh my god, pack. Make sure it's the same thing that's down here. That the folder, make sure it's the name of the folder, because that's what you're wanting to get into. And enter. Now it should come up like that. And it is case sensitive, so I recommend making something with all lowercase. Okay, now type off zip dash a dash z dash 15 patch underscore mp dot ff and period forward dash space 0, and that should be it. And then when you press enter, that should be what happens, and you get all this stuff in your folder now. Don't worry, you don't have to remember all that because you delete almost every single bit of this. Delete it all the way up to, I think I passed it, no, 00014f51.dat. Delete everything up to that, and then delete everything up to B4AO, the very top thing. There, now this is all that's in there. Move B4AO.dat to hex editor, whatever you're going to use. I recommend hex editor. Now move this, the other one, 14f51.dat, move it to hex editor. And I made a few little notes so I would remember what to put. Go to B4AO, select blocks, and type in, oh god, no. That's the next step. I'm getting ahead of myself. Find mission there, and edit. No, just press Control E. Okay, now I have to find mission again, and you can't just highlight it. You have to actually find it. That's what I was told, anyways. Control E. I'll put the annotation there, but you want to press Control E. And this is where this comes in. D7, D2, and the offset FFFF. D7. Let me do this. D2 for start offset. For this, I don't know why, but you try to put F and it goes to the very end. So just do that and backspace off that. And that's one too many F in there. Copy. Make a new folder, Control N, or make a new thing, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it's called. Document. There we go. And then go to copy and paste it here. It should be a lot, so don't worry about that. go to the 14F51. Cool. This is where this comes in. And this time you don't mess with the offset. 61D. Select block. Go to length. 61D. I don't think I put that in right. Yeah, I didn't put that in right. Hold on. Select block. 61D. Alright, this isn't going in right. Hold on. Search file. Let me just press Control E. Oh god, that's Shift, not Control. I'm messing up here. Hold on. I'm pressing wrong buttons. There we go. Since I'm there, go to here to reset it. It's not going to reset it. I have a perfectly fine idea. If you mess up like I just did, go back to this and just drag and drop it again. Or, like I just realized, you can go to the very first thing and click on that, and then Control E 61D. 61D. There. Copy. Click on the end. Paste. I should be making another tutorial on how to do this, and probably all the way through if somebody will help me, and then it'll be a lot better where I'm not messing up and stuttering and stuff, because I'm getting kind of confused here. And save this. Save as. Put it in the folder right here as mission. Not missions. Do not put an S. I made that mistake a while ago. Comp.gsc. And it has to look exactly like that for a later step. And now, make a new document, and don't type anything. Just click Save As. Just put in down so it'll come up mission comp, and put re. It's going to be mission recomp.gsc. And now it'll be right here in the folder. Go back to this. Just do that. Just hold the right arrow all the way until it finishes it, because it'll automatically put what was already in there before. And just change the patch._mp.ff. Change that to mission underscore comp dot gsc. Enter. Something like 0000002 dot dat or 00003 dot dat or something like that should pop up, and that would be what's supposed to happen. Edit with Notepad++. That's what I use. You can use your favorite text editor, but I highly recommend that you use the Notepad++. Search. And this is how you open it. It's basically open. And I will show you some stuff that you can do with the edited. If I can find out. I just went blank again. Oh my god. And yeah, I don't know where it is, but you can search stuff. But I forgot how. I think it might be the binoculars. Find. I'll type in Gotham. Here's what you can change. You can put, this is where my name is flashing. Whenever I put this, it flashes Gotham. CMD P ps3 333, and it flashes all these different colors. It actually takes pretty big space to do that. And press custom again. Oh, there's no more. I don't know what happened to that. But, okay, that was my tutorial. If anybody can help me post a video response, PM me something. Please rate, comment, like, and thumbs up.